Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Fuck.
Do you want to grab something?
I almost dropped it. Oh. It's not going on like it should. Exactly what old mate said on Facebook. Their holes aren't bang on. I'm gonna take it off and grind the holes out. These are the studs. Could be on an angle or something, could have moved.
I've got no idea what you're doing, so.
I'm not playing the game. That's really annoying. Sorry, it's a boring bit. Why isn't that having a good time up there? Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Ten. 2, 4. Oh, great, where'd that go? What the fuck is going on? Stupid thing.
Are you gonna lose your shit in a second?
Yeah. It's a tapping tool. Well, it says to use the bolts, but it didn't say reuse anything. 2 for this, 3 for this, 3 for this, 2 for the last one. This hole's not even fucking close to what it needs to be. Not even fucking close to the right size for it, like. It shouldn't be this tight, it should just be fucking finger tight, mate. How loose it should be. Do you want to get face paint when we're at the fair? What do you want? 13? You like that? Okay, I knew that. Taylor Swift's good number. Oh, that'll do, donkey. Right, next part. Thing. Oh, look at that. Straight in the hole. Right on the motherfucking titties. That one. Oops. Alright, that'll fucking do for now. Next piece. This is the next piece. Oh, I thought this was a heat shield, but maybe it's a protection plate. Alright, throw in, see what happens. Boom. I don't know who's having the worst of time, you or me. I'm a bit hungry actually. I need the next piece.
Do you want me to do something?
Yeah, can you give me one of those, that red spray on the further side this way of the table over there?
Oh, fuck. Yep. What are you trying to do?
Get it on the rubber mounts. Oh, it was easy. Okay, so this part here, and this one here, and that one, they're rubber mounts. They're there so it doesn't rattle around. Yeah, and stop, because if they're mounted solidly against the car and rigid, these are just gonna crack off with all the vibration and shit. So that's why they are like that. The bolts coming out the back. Yeah, I thought this bit here was supposed to be like a heat shield, but it's actually a bash plate. It's not finished yet. Now, last piece. That one was really easy. Oh, I should have done this one first. There we go. Ow, that hurt.
Jesus. Oh my god.
Fuck
Is it meant to do that?
Fuck off, you cunt. Oh, got him. Fucking got him,
So were you trying to put them on at the same time?
Yeah. Oh, wow. God. You wanna be a doll? Actually, it's pretty easy if I just go get it. I'm feeling this is going to be a cunt. Alright, you guys tighten the front and then work your way back. Because the front's like solid against the turbo, so you want everything to like match that. The rest is just on mounts. You don't want to be fighting that last flange, it could be misaligned, so you get that perfect and the rest sort of, because it's on rubber, it can flex. But if you mount everything here with all the mounts, you find every single mount at once. Move to the front, eh? Oh, you're a dog. Oh man, you're joking. I can't use a ratchet spanner. It's as tight as it wants to go. Nice, alright. Out we go. Yeah, I've got to get from the top now. Get the fuck out of the way. Dog of a thing. We'll start with that bit and then I'll do the next bits. Next one! Next one! Can you give me an extension bar?
This one?
In this socket set, you get... Actually, is that nice and lined up? Better be. It's almost there. Almost done. Oh. It doesn't need to be any tighter than that. Yeah, that's tight enough. Now, is that... Oh, thank God. Here, I will double check these two. Cool. Alright.